Alright, today's the day. We put the engine in. So I've rented this engine hoist, and first thing we'll be doing is lifting it off of the stand that it's on and putting it down onto this rolling cart. And then I've got the gearbox here, and well, first once it's on the rolling cart, we can bolt up the flywheel and pressure plate assembly. We've got a little alignment tool here, and get that all bolted on, and then yeah, we can bolt it up to the gearbox and then hoist her up and put it in the car. And as for the car, as you can see, I've used all my little work pads that I use for upholstery work. I've got them all laid out on the car to protect the paintwork, and pulled the seats and all that out just so somebody will have to stand inside the car and guide the gearbox in and lift it up to clear the cross member as it comes in. And we've got a little tilt mechanism to help us adjust the angle as we go, and we can roll the car forward and back. So it should be pretty smooth. So I'd say that's a wrap for today. So we successfully got the whole engine and drivetrain into the car and bolted up. She's looking wonderful. I'm really excited. So over the next few weeks I should be able to get everything else hooked up and prepared to turn her over for the first time. So that's looking really good. Special thanks this week to my good friend and fellow Healy owner Trevor Parker, who came by today and gave me a hand. This all went really easily with the two of us, so Trevor's been a really great help with tools and tips throughout this whole restoration, so again, really grateful for his help. Thanks again, Trev. I guess that's it for this week. So I'm Geoff Chrysler, a detail enthusiast, and we'll see you next time.